Welcome back to Houston DIY, and today we'll be unboxing the Meta Quest 2.
Okay, welcome to Houston DIY. My name's Ben.
My name's Oliver.
So as Oliver said, in this video we're unboxing this Meta Quest 2. We're super excited, aren't we, Oliver? Yeah. We just got this today, so we thought we'd unbox it, see what we get inside it, get it on charge, and then we'll go through. Do it like that, and go through the setup required. So we'll flip the camera down onto the desk, and we'll do the unboxing on the desk. Okay, so here we go. So Oliver has got the box here. We've took the cellophane off, haven't we, Oliver?
Yeah.
Right, so get it out then. I think it's a sleeve. So stand it on its end and lift the sleeve out.
Might need to push it. There we go.
Okay, so we've got the sleeve off. Let's show the sleeve. That's gone. Okay, we're left with this Meta Quest 2 box. Oliver,
Smells like.
lift the lid. Do. Okay, so inside, grab a controller, Oliver. Obviously get the two controllers with it. Yep.
And the actual headset.
Get some accessories in this box here by the looks of it. Let's just have a look at these first.
Got like a charging cable.
Oh. Like so. Yep, exactly. USB-C charging cable. Okay, so there's the headset itself. Looking great.
Spare lens for it here.
You got it? So these are different attachments in here. So because I wear glasses, we're probably going to have to fit the glasses kit onto it as well, so they can wear glasses with it. So in here,
would I be aware that it fit?
yeah. So you get the silicone cover in there. This is the glasses spacer, so we'll have to use that probably. And then in here, that's just that the obviously the strap that goes around your head, and then that's just telling you about moving the lenses. So we'll get this stuff cleared off the desk and just make sure we've got everything unboxed and everything's here that should be here. Okay, so we've got it out of the box. Looking great. So we've got the controllers out that came with some tabs in there. Oh, sorry, just a little bit over here. That came with some tabs in that we had to pull out, and they have come on. So that's both of them done. Oliver's just trying out the headset at the moment, as you can see there, obviously. Came with the glasses spacer, which we're going to try and fit now, so I can try and just see how it fits. Came with a silicone cover that we just put around the edges here. Let me just show you that. It's coming like a silicone cover that goes over the foam, so I assume that's just to protect it against sweating and stuff like that if you're using it for exercise. And that was everything that was in the box. So I'll fit the glasses spacer on just to make sure that fits and it can actually fit on my head. And then once we've done that, we'll actually get the thing set up. Okay, so we're just going to film putting the glasses spacer on. So it came with this little tiny bit of instructions, which I think means take the silicone cover off. So we'll take the silicone cover off like this. I don't think you can take that sponge off. I don't think. Or maybe you can. Does it say anything in here, Oliver, about the glasses?
No, I don't know.
Glasses spacer. So the glasses spacer's got some. I'm not sure if that foam comes off though. I don't want to pull it just in case it rips.
That would be bad.
That would be really bad, wouldn't it?
And it looks like there's like a flat surface on it, so I don't think that.
Yeah, I think you're right, Oliver.
Silicone would fit on. Silicone, I think that's good. Right hand. It tells you which hand they're going.
Yeah. So I'm not sure exactly how that goes on. Or maybe. Oh, that comes out, look. The whole thing. Aha! Okay, so the sponge and the plastic attachment comes off the whole thing. And it looks like we then put this glasses section into there. Got it. Got it. We got it, Oliver. We got it. We worked it out. After a little bit of an argument, a little bit of shouting, we worked it out, didn't we, Oliver? So the plastic spacer thing's gone back in. So we're going to try and push this back in now, hopefully. That's all clicked in, so that's pretty simple to do. To be fair, it only gives it a few millimetres of extra space, doesn't it? Just pushes it away from the face a little bit, Oliver. Yeah? Yeah? So we've got the sponge back on now, the foam back on. So we'll put the silicone cover back on there, and then we'll boot it up and see what's going on. Okay, so the glasses spacer does work. I can get it on my head fine. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it on my head, turn it on, have a quick look, and then I'm going to put it on Oliver's head, and he's going to have a go.
Yeah.
So there's a button on the right hand side. I'm going to press and hold it on. Okay, it's on.
Tell me if you need to handle things.
Will do. They vibrate then?
Yeah, the handles did.
Alright, is it yet?
That's left.
Oh, that's right. Oh yeah, got it.
And that one's right.
Cheers, mate. Okay, oops. So I'll just get this. So I'm just stepping through things at the moment, just setting the language up there. Pop them down for a second. So it's just telling me to check the clarity, so I can see things clearly, which I can. So I'm just going to get that.
So is it like in VR?
It's in VR, yeah.
Ooh.
So it's telling me at the moment to do the spacing inside, Oliver. So what we need to work out is which setting we need to be on, don't we, ideally?
Yeah.
So it does seem okay, man, but I'm just going to just adjust it just to see if it looks any better. So it does get my glasses stuck in there like that. So inside you've got the lenses that you can adjust. You can move from side to side. So currently that's on setting 3, which is I think that's the widest it goes. I'm going to put on 2 just to see if that's any better. And then we can check yours, Oliver, see what yours needs to be.
It is pretty good that the glasses get stuck in it, so you know that they're staying in there.
Okay. Yeah, isn't it, mate? Definitely. I think that's better for me. It's 2. It's clear. Right, so I'll take that off.
2 might fit me though.
It might do. I'll give it a go. So I'll put it on Oliver's head now. So sit up, sit forward. Hold it on. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yeah.
Words are clear and stuff, yeah? Is it clear or not?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Please, so it says stay seated for setup. So it's asking me to connect to Wi-Fi now. So I'm just going to connect it to our Wi-Fi. So it's connecting to the Wi-Fi network as we speak. Connected. So it's just playing a video currently just about the setup, Oliver. All boring stuff. It says to use indoors only.
I don't know why anyone would use it outside, really.
So it's talking about setting a boundary in your room. Okay, safety. Acknowledge the safety agreement. It just says it's been updated with the latest software. It's downloading currently at the moment. Okay, so what we'll do there, because this is just taking quite a long time to update, is we will I'm going to take the headset off, and we'll charge it while it's updating all of you.
Good idea.
Cool. Okay, so the device is, the headset is set up, the basic setup's done, we've got it working. So the glasses extension obviously gives me that little bit more room required for wearing glasses. Hopefully it doesn't affect anyone else using it, I don't think it will. But it's all set up, it's comfy to wear on the head. There is a little bit of weight pushing down on the nose, but I think there's all the adjustable straps. So here you've got like the Velcro at the top where you can tighten it around the top to pull it on up onto your eyes a bit more. But super simple to set up using the app. Uses your uses your Facebook details to create that account if need be. You don't have to link it to the Facebook. You don't need a Facebook account. You can just create a Meta account from scratch. So that's that. I think that's probably with some concerns about some people using your Facebook details, but I've used it anyway. So that's that. So next steps, I need to work out how to create multiple profiles so the kids now they can use it, because everyone's gonna obviously use it in the family. See what games we can get on there. I think we can get Beat Saber for free. I think game's part of this. So that's, yeah, everything looking good. These are really cool. We've got the PlayStation VR, but this is a totally different level, to be honest with you, in terms of that better comfort, I would say, and obviously mobility with it. You can move around because there's not the cable attached to it pulling you along. So that's good. So yeah, all in all, really easy to set up. Really good experience out of the box, and then jumping into the experience and on the application on the phone. So we'll do this as a bit of a mini series on the Houston DIY channel. Obviously this is the first one, just the opening of the device, seeing what you get inside the box, seeing what you get for your money. We've gone for the 128GB version. They're one of the smaller versions rather than the bigger one. I don't plan to be putting loads of files and movies and stuff on there, more for streaming, things like that. So we'll do a few different videos. The next video we'll do, a part of this, when I bought the headset, I got this charging dock station, just because I thought it would be really useful and convenient to charge the headset, rather than have to plug it in all the time. So we got that as part of it. So the next video we'll do a little bit of an unboxing of that, just see what you get in there, see how it works, see how it docks on, see the size of it, and whether that'd be good for anyone else looking for the same thing. So yeah, next video we'll unbox this bad boy. Okay, thanks for watching the channel. My name's Ben, this has been Houston DIY. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not, give it a dislike. If you want to follow the journey along on our channel with this Quest 2 headset, with this series or other videos we do, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.